Hi everyone. As you remember, I'm doing my unit on Jamestown for 4th grade. So here's my screencast video just showing you what else I've done in the unit so far. So I know some things you guys were having trouble seeing, one of which I know started on the home page where I added in this hook, particularly this article hooking in the students as to why so many of the colonists died and telling them exactly how many died. So hopefully you can see this article and everything in my whole site because I shared my whole folder on my drive. So please let me know if something is still coming up saying that you need to request access. Something else that I've been working on is the due dates and the kind of like pacing guide here. You can see I created a cell for each task and then I inserted this extra column here where they can just put an X when it's complete. And as you go down, I've been really trying to hyperlink almost everything to just really make it easy for navigation. And then I also color coded using this light pink every other day. Again, just to see where they should be and help them kind of navigate this pacing guide here. So you can let me know what you think about that. I also just added in parentheses at the end of each task which lesson it goes with. So you can see here's lesson 3. Next down here is lesson 4. So I hope that that helps them with navigation as well. Something else that I was really working on is if you go to lesson 9 here, possible solutions, I created, let me scroll down here, I created my edited video, so you can see that right here and click play. It's about whole body listening. They will have a discussion with a group of 4 people, and I really want them showing and focusing on listening. So here I just created an edited video giving them 4 different tips for how they can show whole body listening. So again, if you go to lesson 9, possible solutions, you can watch my edited video there. As far as where else I am at, I believe, yep, lesson 10 is done. I'm scrolling down here through lesson 12. I believe that that one is done as well. And I'm here at lesson 13. So I've completed everything up to lesson 12, and I have my 2 final lessons to go yet. Lesson 13 on Pocahontas and lesson 14 on John Smith, and then creating the cumulative assessment and project. Thanks for listening. This is what I have done so far in my unit, and I look forward to hearing your videos with feedback. Thank you.